Pangarap niya daw po maging Chinese garter. Okay. For our last batch, please welcome Dreamer number 51.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mar Francis Baya. 10 years old, nakatira kami sa Dubinan West City. Ang pangarap ko po maging pilot. Thank you.
Oh my God, city na pala ang Dubinan. Okay, next is Dreamer number 52. Wow! Oh, ang sexy naman ni baby girl.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Saim Bermeo, 12 years old from Dubinan West, Santiago City. In my near future, I want to be a chef because I love to cook and bake and also work in cruise ship.
All right.